Hello, in front of me I've got Realme GT Neo 3. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and go to Loyalty, Gift Card or Public Transport. First, let's select Loyalty Card and select card you would like to add. You can scan your card or enter details manually. Then simply tap Save. Next, in Gift Card, you can select shop you want to add gift card to, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and simply tap Save. And the last card you can add is Public Transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Pay. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.